In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily stop auto-sharing Instagram stories to Facebook. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, you need to open up Instagram app, and once it is done, just tap right here to go to your Instagram profile page. Now, guys, we need to tap right here at these three lines to go to settings and activity, and here at the very top, tap Add Account Center. After that, tap Add Sharing Across Profiles here, then select your Instagram account. And down below here you will find these automatically share tools that allows you to automatically share your posts, stories and reels from Instagram to Facebook. If you would like to stop auto sharing your content, then just turn off all the toggles like in my case. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.